So we're wiping it down with grease and wax remover. I'm gonna go mix the primer and we're gonna shoot. So this thing's gonna look really cool after we're done. Dude, this is so bad. Trying to see if I can get to some wet paint, some wet primer. There's nothing down there. Hey Adrian, do you guys have any Evercoat, the high build primer, the DTM in stock?
The high build I don't have, only have the DTM smooth.
You don't have high build.
Right now I don't have any high build.
Who else carries Evercoat, man? Anybody in town?
Not that I know of. I don't know anyone who carries the high build.
Oh man. All right, dude. So the only one you have is just the regular one?
Yeah, the regular, just the DTM smooth.
All right, bro. Thanks, man.
No problem.
There's a paint store down the road, bro.
Let's get it done today, man.
Going. Back.
Yep.
How far did y'all get with the car?
We wiped it down, everything's ready to primer it.
Oh, so y'all didn't even get to shoot anything at all at the hard?
Oh, because he started mixing it, and then he opened it. Then...
Say what?
It's really good though.
That one that he got is supposed to be like a really, really good quality primer.
Yeah.
But I guess it dries quicker because that's the whole point. You shoot it and it's supposed to. How much did you pay for that, bro? Found another place.
Wait. $200, man.
Dang. My brother works. They said it también, bro. Place right here in Far.
How can we say nothing before?
Why did you tell me, dude?
I barely called him right now. $90, 90.
Nah, that's what I paid.
98
$90.
one with Texas.
Hey, Caesar, help me out.
Este vato. What happened, güey? Can't get it or what?
Can't do my back
Este
to up.
vato.
Whatever, is that good,
Chingado. Like a little kid, güey.
Ni lo que haces para Rosie.
I know,
I
right?
know.
Dang. I don't know why I was draining it, dude. I'm not supposed to drain it. Thick primer, bro. I'm gonna make a mess, oh my gosh. Oh. I'm supposed to mix it here, Nate. These are all stuck. Nothing's going right. Oh, yeah, everything is going wrong.
What happened, bro?
It's not the right fitting, bro. It's this one, but this one doesn't screw into that. Doesn't screw into this.
Like what kind, Rennie?
Well, something that can go from here to maybe one of the other ones.
Oh, you gotta. What? This one don't
But
fit.
that one.
There you go. There you go. That's the adapter I was looking for.
Here.
That fitting gonna fit in the.
Yeah, this one should fit.
You know how there were some.
Okay, we're ready. All right, Sean, let's go, man.
Órale, Chon, come on, no te hagas.
That is like a milkshake, dude.
Dude, that's not good, bro. So what the heck? I mix another batch?
Maybe he didn't mix it right, no? Or what?
No, it's not that because it's that's a reducer. It's a thinner. The last time they did that thing, it was my Scout International when I was like 20 years old. They charged me like $2,000 to put a pipe down in the bucket of Mondo. They fell off in Mexico. We were hunting. Oh, pedacito, bro. Now they charged me like, I don't even know how much they charged me. Maybe like 1990 or something.
I don't know, maybe like $500.
First thing they.
Like $500, no?
I know.
That's better. You want more air pressure?
You're doing about 30, really. You don't think we need a little bit more?
Can you give me more air pressure, bro? Dale, shine.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Oh,
It's too thick or what?
I think so. Like, it's coming out real dry.
Man, it is a little,
Yeah.
What do you think? Some more reducer on the next one? A little bit more? A couple ounces?
ready, Tron?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not coming out.
Oh.
Okay, stop. Timer time.
That's the mix on the gun. That's the mix on the gun, dude.
Something's wrong with it.
Let me clean the tip, bro. It's still shooting it pretty thick, right? Man, bro. Okay, so we came in thinking that we were gonna paint the car, throw on some high build primer on it, found out that our DTM primer was a mess. So I went to a local shop, got some high build primer there, but I think there was something wrong with that paint because it was going on way too thick. We tried to thin it out, we just couldn't get it to work. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to see if I can get some more high quality, high build primer and do this all over again. It was just a bad day throughout. That was bad.
No se va. No se va.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough. Look, remember that we're just trying to protect the car from rust, so we don't have to build it up a lot, you know what I mean? But still build it
But you
up.
still gotta cover it, dude.
Yeah, we gotta cover it.
You
Still
can't let
build
no
it
metal
up.
show.
Keep doing what you're doing. If I have to go buy more, I'll go buy more. Nate, what did I do, Nate? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll put it here. Just chill, just chill. Everything's under control. Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude. Did you get that, Nate? Did you get that?
What do you do? You made a mess.
He spilled. You got it, dude. You got it.
You gonna do it? What, you got a problem? Better not mess them up, man.
Hold on. On these, bro, only paint the outside. Don't paint the inside.
What?
Okay?
What do you mean?
So just, yeah, so just like, just real easy. Just don't get paint in the inside.
Dude, just a groove, in other words.
Ah.
What?
Nothing?
Really?
I'm just kidding, bro. Go.
Really, bro?
Yes, I'm just
Yeah, bro.
Let it swing, bro. Don't hold it.
Damn. I'm never gonna stop this. Damn. What happened, bro?
Ah, spoke too soon.
Oh, you're stepping on it, bro. What happened?
What'd you do? Hold on, no, that's.
Dude, what happened?
Yeah.
Well, it just Rennie stepped on it.
Yeah, we'll sand it, Sean. Yeah, just finish it, bro.
Man, I was doing good, man. What's wrong
You're
with
doing
y'all?
good, Caesar. Now we need to look at where we need to do body work. We're just gonna mark right now, Nate, just all the areas that we need to come in and fix. We shot the high build primer, which is essential because it covers all of the small imperfections on the metal. It'll also allow us to make this car as straight as possible. Now we just need to find anything we missed and add a little bit of filler to smooth things out.